Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to make a video of how to apply false lashes in on a natural face, so it will look natural like it's yours. But this time around I want to use a very simple equipment, beginners friendly of course. I want to make it in a way that you can to be able to afford it, and at the same time you can wear it like you put it on early in the morning and at night remove it, go to bed. Next morning you can go ahead and do the same thing, or you can carry it all day long. The same thing. It's just your choice. I'll be starting up by showing you the equipment that I make use of. I make use of three, okay, let me just say like five good equipment, but it's just a very simple something. First, you need your eyelash, and this is red cherry eyelashes, 100% human percent, is black. It's in the number of 103. Oh, sorry, 109, and this is how it looks like. It's very, very beautiful, and it's not that costly. It's never costly actually. You'll be needing these tweezers, your eyelash tweezers. This is it. This is how it looks like. I'll show you what it's used for. And this is my eyelash adhesive waterproof in dark tone. This is it. And for today we'll be using this Huda Beauty waterproof mascara. Oh, sorry, it's Huda Beauty waterproof mascara. Now to start with, we are gonna be making use of this. You bring out your lashes and you remove the natural gum that is already attached to it. Like this particular eyelash, it has this natural transparent white gum that is always neat. Remove it just like I'm doing now. Once you're done removing it, you apply your gum to it. Now while applying your gum, just make sure to apply much of the gum at the two edges, this side. Make sure to apply much of the gum there, while the rest of it you can apply just very little. Yes. Then when you're done applying this, make sure to blow it. Actually, just make sure you blow everything about it. Don't blow it too much. Don't blow it to be very dry. Don't blow it to be don't apply it as wet as it is. Just blow it to be a bit dried up. As I'm actually going on to it, I'm applying this and I'm taking care to do that. Now we'll be applying this mascara in two sides. The first one you apply, make sure to remove most of the liquids in it. Just remove almost all of it. Now apply it gently on your eyelash, gently. Now this will help it to get that black shade that it actually should have. Make sure not to apply it at the down one. I had something there, so I was trying to move it. Now when you're done with it, we're making use of one eye. I'll be making use of one eye to show you what I mean by applying it. Yes, so once you're done with it, now you get your lashes, which should have been a bit dry, or you can blow it if it is not, like I'm doing now. Now once you're done blowing it like this, you get your tweezers at the middle of it. Just get it right at the middle. Like this. Now looking downwards, make sure you look downwards so you can get it exactly where it should be. Now, when you're applying your false lashes, try as much as possible to get one of the tips, one of the edges to come right through the side. Actually, after your you make it to reach after your lashes. Don't make it to be exactly where your lashes are, just make it to be like after the lashes, a little bit after the lashes actually. Then the other edge can reach any side of here, because of course our lashes can actually grow to any part of this side, but here it doesn't. So to make it look full, because actually applying this first lashes, you're trying to make your lashes look full and beautiful, unlike its natural look, but you want to make it look natural. So this is how you're gonna do it. I don't know if you can see me up like this. Something I like doing whenever I fix my lashes, once I'm done fixing it to the edges, and of course whenever you're fixing it, this edge, the two edges, make sure to press it in your lash line. Press it in so that whenever you're going out, it doesn't fly off. Some people after fixing their lashes actually flies off. So to avoid that, once you fix it, you make sure to um press that these two edges, press it in very well so that it doesn't fly off. So now this is how I'm doing it. Yeah. So there's something I like doing it also whenever I fix my lashes. I like to press my natural small eyelash to the first one like this with my tweezers. I like doing it this way. I touch it together. So once I'm done with it, the next thing I like doing is to apply the mascara again. Remove all the liquids that is in it very well. Just leave the stuff like this, because we're trying to fix it on a natural key so that it's gonna look like your natural eyelash and you're gonna look beautiful on it, just like I'm looking now. So you get it, go down to that side below the lashes, then you fix it in like this. So once you're done, you try to push the inward sides. Look at it very well with your compact mirror to make sure it's looking beautiful like it's doing now on my eyes. So now that you're done with it, um this is the final look. The reason why I like making, so these are the corrections I would like to give you after this this is my video. When you're using your tweezers, yes, you go up looking down with the eye you want to fix it with, and you open the other eye to see exactly what you are doing. So when you go up like this and you are putting it in, make sure not to touch it here. Just make sure it lands exactly at the line of your lashes, not on your lashes. You know that is a mistake we make most times. When you land it on the lashes, you find it difficult to remove. And when you're removing it, you remove it with your natural lash, which is actually very dangerous. Just line it exactly just after your lash hair. Line it exactly at the line of your lashes. Then the next thing again you're gonna do is you make sure to push in the edges. Push in the edges. Once you're done pushing in the edges, next thing you're gonna do is use your tweezers or your bare hands, your fingers, use it to merge your lash, your natural lash with the first one, merge it together. Then after this, you can take up your mascara and brush it to line exactly with the lashes that you've applied, and this will make it look perfect, very natural. And you can, yeah, so we've come to the end of this video, and if yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified every single time I post a new video. And hey, some people will be like, what am I subscribing for? It's gonna take my money, it's gonna take my MB and all those things. No, it doesn't. It just gives you a free notification on the next video I post. So try not to miss my videos. Stay tuned. Thank you. Don't forget, Clue loves you. Bye.